Hey guys, how you doing? This is me Divekant Thaledi, and today we're gonna unbox and take a look on an unusual thing on our YouTube channel, that is a domestic appliance which is a high power wet and dry vacuum cleaner by Karcher. So stay tuned for this interesting stuff and let's quickly get started. Now before we get started, let me tell you guys the best buy link to this product is given in the description below, so do check that out. And here the MRP on the box is 20,599 rupees, but you can get this one at a very discounted price at around 14,000 or even less. Anyways, the brand Karcher is well-known reputed German brand which makes high-quality cleaning machines and accessories. As this vacuum cleaner was itself manufactured in Germany, so the build and quality is supposed to be of top-notch. Now let's quickly cut through the box and take our first look to the stuff we get inside the box pack. And as you can see, the packaging has done really well by Karcher with thick bubble packaging. And the first thing we get is the flat nozzle which allows you to reach corners and tight places in your home and especially on your car. Further, we have 5 wheels that fixes under the vacuum cleaner, a fine dirt filter bag, a reader's manual, adjustable floor nozzle with brush, and this will be used for vacuuming large area, and also this one has a button which is used to vacuum water from wet floor. Further, we get a very nice quality 2-meter long hose pipe with detachable nozzle, an accessory holder to mount all your accessories on the go, and 2 extension pipe each of 0.5 meter length. And at last we have the main unit, that is the vacuum cleaner itself, and this one looks like a typical robot with the power knob and blower port as its eyes, which reminds us the movie WALL-E. Now on the back side of the top, it has the push button to open up the motor's air filter, which is washable too, and this one is patented by Karcher. Now let's quickly set this up and mount the accessories, and as you can see, the design is quite convenient to attach all of your accessories. Here the bucket volume of this vacuum cleaner is 25 liters, which is quite large and which not only vacuums more water out of the wet surface and also requires very less often cleaning for dry vacuum. Alright, after the installation, let's talk about the technical specifications. So this one is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner with blower functionality. It has inbuilt filter cleaning mechanism. The motor power is 1100 watts. It has 8.5 kgs. As far as the dimensions are concerned, it is 2 feet tall and 1 feet wide. And the bucket volume is 25 liters. And now as far as the performance part is concerned, it is very good too. Here the suction power of this vacuum cleaner is very impressive and you will definitely enjoy this one while using it. Here the floor nozzle and other accessories allows you to reach critical locations of cleaning, and this one is quite effective for cleaning your carpet as well. And apart from that, the blower functionality of this one is also impressively powerful, and this can easily blow away dust, leaves, etc. where vacuuming is not possible. So summing up, this vacuum cleaner helps a lot, especially cleaning your house, garage or your car. And this one actually saves a lot of time and effort. So guys, order this one now from the best buy link given in the description below and you will definitely enjoy cleaning. So that's it for now. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful, and if you have any query then do let me know in the comment section below. Press the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload my next video. This is me Divekant Thaledi and I'll catch you all in the next one.